Okay, there's another hinge cut right there, and this is just picking up where we left off. Again, that tree is doing very well, and there's a bunch of those trees. So this woods, and hopefully I can get over to where the neighbor is. It just, like I said, it was all barren, and there was nothing growing on the ground. And now, I mean, you can see this is thick and nasty, and this is a deer's dream come true. So they feel very comfortable passing through here. Let's walk this way. But this is stripped clean. What's that?
Bees.
Bees? There's no bees.
I saw some bees over
Okay. So we'll walk back through to the other trail, which again I'm gonna have to clear off. And for whatever reason, deer love this tree. I need to do better. I need to do some research on what different leaves are, and I'm actually going to do that. I've thought about taking a class, but this tree gets stripped, and it's a hinge cut tree. It's all the way over there, and it comes all the way down to here. And it gets stripped every single year, and it seems like, because I used to have a trail camera right over on that tree, over there. And deer always stopped right at this tree every single time to strip and get as many leaves as they could. So it's a high value tree, and it definitely does its job, and it's survived for 3+ years. You got it back there? Nothing. Just checking on you. Again, this was glyphosate on the ground. Mixed it with water. And it does a great job. And this was sprayed last year. I didn't even spray it this year. And still hasn't grown back, so it does a really good job. And it's, I don't know, I think I got like a 5-gallon jug for like $50 at Tractor Supply. All right. Now I'm gonna have to clear this for my daughter. Well, stop touching them, baby. Okay, just don't touch it, okay? I've got another trail that goes back in there, and it goes out to the cornfield. That's the trail that we just walked up.
Daddy,
What's that, baby?
is that a reindeer bed?
Nope. There's a trail that goes down there to the water. That's my uncle's deer blind that he hunts just gun, and he likes to hunt out to the cornfield. And then down here on the edge of the property is where my stand is. It's a good staging area for the deer. They like to come right into this open area here. And these are all oaks, so there's lots of acorns on the ground. Okay, I'm waiting. There's lots of acorns on the ground right around here, so they stop here before they go out to the cornfield that's right there.
What's that?
It's just some weird plant, weird weed. And yeah, these are all oaks. right up that tree. There's my tree stand. I don't know if you can see it on here.
Where?
I want to zoom. Huh. Oh well.
Wait, I can see it.
Yep. Tree stands right up there. And some more hinge cutting. Just make it nice and thick back here. My trail camera's right up here on this tree. There's a trail that goes over into the neighbor's property.
You wanna go over there, Daddy?
No, we're gonna stay right here.
Ooh, look at it.
There's a trophy.
That's a trophy rock.
That's the trophy rock. You're right. Good job. And there's
Wow,
my trail
that
camera.
was good. Wait, that is
Yep.
your trophy rock you said yesterday.
Yep, that the deer are using like crazy, and got lots of deer on that trail camera. But they like to travel right down through here, so that's why I put it right here off of this trail.
Daddy, look at this big.
And they go right up into that cornfield, and hopefully I'll be intercepting them right from that tree stand right up there.
I think they're hungry for that.
They just that helps. It gives them the minerals that they need to grow big and strong.
Like the babies.
Yep, there's another hinge cut. Again, a lot of this was just hinge cut just so that we could bring up new undergrowth. Like, look at all these little trees here that didn't have an opportunity before, and now this has been 2-3 years of growth. But
Daddy, there's your trail camera.
yep, it's because I brought down that tree, I brought down that tree, I brought down that tree, and they're just little trees, but then I brought down a tree over there, all those trees over there, and you can see how thick and nasty that is. A bunch of those trees were brought down,
Daddy,
and I did that all with a handsaw. What?
did you remember you put this right there?
Yep, I knew where it was at.
And on your trail camera?
Let's walk up to the cornfield real quick.
Oh, that's why you put the trophy rock right there, because your trophy camera can take a picture.
That's right, good job. That's exactly why I put it there. Plus it makes the deer big and strong.
Are you waiting for me?
Yep,
Oh, you're still walking.
I know, but I'm fast.
You're fast.
I'm fast.
You're faster than me.
And then there's a trail that I established for them to get in easy, in and out. And they use it like crazy. More hinge cuts. Watch out for that fence there, Pay.
What?
There's a little fence that's on the ground that it'll grab your foot.
Yeah.
And it comes out here to the cornfield. Just step over it. You're good. Like I said though, I do most of my hunting in private or in public grounds. But this is just a fun spot to be able to make some habitat improvements. Spend some more time outside. It's really close to a small city, so there's not going to be any huge not Pope and Young. There's not going to be any huge bucks taken off of this property, but get some does, get some meat in the freezer. But those are the habitat improvements that I've made, and hopefully that'll help somebody out there. We'll talk to you soon.